Hello, second grade. Here I'm going to read the worksheet lesson 13.8 for you. So if you need help with the reading and don't know what some of these words are, go ahead and listen to the video and then I will read it to you. Directions. Joe created a line graph for his reading log. Use the graph to answer the questions. Here's the graph for the reading log. Over here are the pages read each night. Down here are the days of the week. Number 1 says, what information does this graph show? You have to write and tell me what information is on this graph. Number 2, how many pages were read on Tuesday? Number 3, how many more pages were read on Wednesday than Thursday? Remember, if you don't know how to do some of these, go back to the last video to lesson 13.8 because I answered all those questions just like these ones. Number 4, how many pages were read in all? Remember what in all means. Number 5, how many fewer pages were read on Tuesday than Monday? Number 6, which day did Joe read the most? Remember what most means. Number 7, which day did Joe read the least? Remember what least means. Pause the video in between questions because I know I went kind of fast. You can pause and answer the question on your worksheet and then hit play and keep going.